Well, let's have a look. Yeah, camshaft looks okay. It looks okay. Wait a minute. What's the, what? Whoa, whoa. Look, see if we can see it. There's a lifter down in there, and it is stuck. So we're pulling the lifter, but that's all that's left of the lifter. So yeah, that's a pretty bad disorder. The Volkswagen today, whoa. Yeah, I keep putting my hand in front of the camera. Sorry, guys. Okay, so to get the lifter loose, I guess the main thing we need to do is probably hit it with some propane gas or something and just heat the crap out of this thing until something happens to get that lifter out of there. So yeah, all we gotta do is light this up, and then, you know, we'll have it. So. All right, today at Coffee and Tools, we're taking a look at the Volkswagen project car again. Today we sort of stumbled over something that I should have caught, I guess, a little bit sooner, but it was low power, and I did the injectors. It said I had low turbo pressure. I put a new turbo on. I still had problems. And I did a compression test, and she passed with flying colors. And I'm like, well, you know, the compression test is not the end of everything to tell you you have a good engine or not. And as you can see, I've pulled the camshaft. The camshaft in this one was absolute toast. It was mind-boggling bad. Wore out really bad. And in fact, there's one lifter in here still. I'm having trouble getting it out. I'm probably going to end up using an electric heating system, and I'll heat the block right there. And hopefully that'll free the lifter to pop out of there. I don't see what else could be holding that lifter down in there at this point. The camshaft itself, let's take a look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, pretty. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that thing. When you see something like that, you know your camshaft it's over with. It's done. Got a new camshaft coming, new lifters, of course. The only problem I've got left is dealing with this little guy right here, that one lifter that does not want to leave the engine, and we will, by hook or by crook, whatever, but I will convince it. Just in case you're wondering what this crazy tool is, because it's all about tools. You know, I love to talk about the tools all the time. Move the light out of the way here a little bit so you can see it. This is a puller type system, and what it does is it clamps on, hooks below, and then this becomes your hammer, and then you pick this up really fast and hammer it against the top end here, this bulge, and you hammer like crazy, and generally that'll pull something, a bearing or something out for you. In this case, a lifter, and it's not budging. So, recording? Yes. So in order to get a good look at this Volkswagen and the lifter issue, I guess we can see if we can see it down there. Yep, there we go. That's the bad, really bad lifter. Bad. With that mess cleaned up and the new camshaft and stuff, this car should go like a rocket. What the heck? What is that all? Huh? We're still working on that, but hey, just thought I'd give you an update, and on the project bug, that's where we're at right now. Always fun at Coffee and Tools. Bye for now.